Hello all dear friends, welcome to the BinaryOption channel. I'm with you with another series of trading videos using CandleStick Psychology tips. I want to do a few trades and review the tips together. Stay with me until the end of this video. We are on the AUD/NZD currency pair in the OTC market. The candle time frame is 1 minute and the trading time is also 1 minute floating. I entered a lower trade. If you look, an M pattern has formed and we have a gap and distance to the neckline of the pattern, a good pattern at the end of the uptrend. That's why I entered a lower trade. We're waiting for the position to close. Okay, I entered a lower trade again. The pattern hasn't yet been completed and there is a gap and distance to the next level. There is also a possibility of repeating the past behavior of the chart. That's why I entered a lower trade. Okay? I entered a higher trade. If you look here, we have a WRB pattern. WRB pattern. In our pattern, the first candle is red, the second candle is also red. That's why we entered a higher trade on the third candle. Our pattern formed in the direction of uptrend. That's why I entered a higher trade. I entered a higher trade again. Look here. We have an uptrend. Here, we have a high equal to the previous high, but on this side, we have a higher low. So there is a possibility of the uptrend continuing. Also, if you look here, we have a chair pattern. That is, a red candle is covered between two green candles. So there is a possibility of the uptrend continuing. If you look, because our candle shadow closed at the round number level. That's why I didn't trade and waited. I entered a higher trade. I'm going to take a trade lower. If you look here, we have a momentum trend, a bullish momentum trend, and it made a new high for me. So there is a possibility of the uptrend continuing. Okay? We wait for the position to close. Okay, we have compensated for the first trade. I entered a lower trade. The red candlestick has crossed our trend line and we have a gap and distance to the fresh level. If you look, here is our fresh level. We have a correction trend that has reached to the fresh level. So because of the gap to the level, I entered a lower trade. Okay? Oh, okay. What happened? Apparently my computer has hanged. Let me fix the problem and I will be with you again with the trades. Okay, we are still on the OUD NZD currency pair. The candlestick time is on 1 minute and the time trade is on 1 minute floating. If you look, a downtrend has started. We have a doji candlestick between the two red candles. But on the left side, we also only have a momentum trend. We're waiting for the candlestick to close. I entered two lower trades. We have a chair pattern that has formed in the continuation of a momentum trend. So there is a possibility of a continuation of the down trend. That's why I entered lower trade. I entered the lower trade again. If you look, we have a downtrend and a strong trend of the sellers. After two strong red candles in the continuation of the downtrend, I entered two lower trades. Great. I entered the lower trade. You can see here we have a power candle that has formed in the continuation of the bearish momentum trend. A candle with a strong body and no pressure and rejection from below. So I entered the lower trade. Okay? Okay, dear friends, be sure to watch the video a few times and practice the tips on the demo account. Be sure to watch the other episodes of Candle Psychology in the CandleStick Psychology playlist. If you like the video, like it, subscribe to the channel and send it to your friends. To register for PocketOption, use the link below the video and receive a 50 to 100% initial bonus to start trading. Dear friends, you are the best. Take care of yourself. Until the next video. Bye.